This is the configuration menu for the NVR 6.0 system. It has simple mode and expert mode. In simple mode, we can set the system time and output resolution. In user management, we can add new users and give them different permissions. You can also change the administrator login password. We can also set the exception alarm function. In network configuration, you can change the IP address of the NVR. You can also enable the P2P function to achieve remote control. We enable the P2P first. Then we change the IP address of the NVR. When the status of P2P is online, we can access the NVR through the mobile app. We can also set up the email function. Here is channel management. In addition to adding and deleting devices, you can also upgrade devices and manually add devices. This is PoE interface management, showing the usage of the PoE interface and the power provided by the NVR. Here is PoE binding settings. You can set the corresponding interface to PoE binding and long distance mode. After we set it to the PoE binding mode, channels 1 to 4 can only be added by these 4 PoE ports. After we enable long distance mode, the PoE power supply distance can be extended to 200 meters. This is the OSD menu, where we can set the channel name, display the time and text, and select the time format, etc. This is the event setting. The simple mode can only set 4 functions such as motion detection. We first select the channel, enable detection, set the detection area, the schedule and the linkage mode, and select channel video. Then we go to video management. Select the channel, start the video, and select the corresponding video to set the start time. In addition to the recording plan, you can also view the recording parameters, view the storage devices, and format the hard disk here. In the expert mode, we can set language, time zone, device name, screensaver time, and other functions in the general settings. You can set carousel split, screen and interval. You can also name each channel. In network configuration, there are also many new functions. And we can view the device on the IP website after it is enabled. This is image setting function, which can adjust the image parameters. It also supports privacy masking function, which can protect your privacy. In the event setting, there is an exception alarm function for ordinary events. It also supports intelligent functions such as line crossing detection. For example, we first select the channel, enable the detection, set the detection area, the sensitivity and the detection time, select the linkage mode, and set the intelligent recording function time in the recording management. This is the intrusion detection. In recording management, we can also set the video overlay mode.
Non-C, more secure, more intelligent.